Extreme natural hazard events such as earthquakes, landslides and floods have threatened and are damaging many different regions around the world. In 2011, for example, globally there were 332 natural disasters, causing the deaths of over 30,000 people. In Europe, these extreme events are not frequent, but just one in any part of the continent can have a devastating impact on our critical infrastructure systems because of their complex interdependence of our roads and railways. Knowing this situation, we decided it was time to do something. So we put together a multidisciplinary team of professionals: engineers, mathematicians, computer scientists, social anthropologists. Together, we can address this problem, we can quantify the risks, and we can plan mitigation measures. But what should we do? Where should we start?
First, one should identify which is a critical infrastructure and which hazards might affect this critical infrastructure.
We are particularly interested in rare events and how they can disrupt the network.
And then to focus on how those effects can cascade through the infrastructure system and affect the performance of roads and bridges on the European network, specifically on the 10T transportation network.
In the InfraRisk project, we are trying to develop stress test methodologies for critical infrastructure, such as road networks, railway networks, networks of flood defenses.
And when we do that, we're going to be able to do a lot of different what-if scenarios coupled with probabilistic distributions, and we're going to find out what the risk is related to how we actually build our infrastructure.
We'll develop a collaborative platform in which the possibility for critical infrastructure managers will be to assess which kind of hazards might affect their critical infrastructure.
But we are also very interested in how people react to such extreme events and how their behavior can affect the functionality of the network.
InfraRisk will develop a number of training courses which are essentially focusing on the critical infrastructure managers.
We must protect against these natural hazards. We must provide a resilient environment for people to live and work. Activities must go on, such as rescue operations, even in a disastrous situation.